It took Instagram 2 years to get to 1 million users. It took Angry Birds 34 days to get to 1 million users. It took Facebook 2 years to get 1 million users. It took Pinterest 5 months to get to 1 million users. ChatGPT was able to get 1 million users in just 5 days. The website shut down because of the amount of activity, and this is still happening because more and more people are starting to discover this app and are using it. Imagine an app that helps you with every single task and makes work easier for you. ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology that has the power to change the way we interact with machines. Imagine being able to have a conversation with your computer or phone in a natural human-like way. That is possible with ChatGPT. It can help you make dinner reservations, book a flight, write an email, decorate your home, or even tell a joke. The possibilities are truly endless. It's like having a personal assistant always there to help you with whatever you need. It's also a great tool for content creation. You can make it to write articles, stories, scripts, and much more. ChatGPT makes your daily life more efficient, productive, and enjoyable. It's an extraordinary tool to have at your disposal, so don't wait any longer. Start exploring the wonders of ChatGPT today. What if I told you that both Microsoft and Meta tried to build a similar application and both failed for different reasons? Between 2015 and 2016, Microsoft tried it with a Twitter chatbot called Tay. This app was also based on AI-generated content. Pretty soon after Tay launched, the tweets went from being a good human to being a white Karen with all sorts of misogynistic and racist remarks. Within 24 hours, the project was over. Meta had a similar type of website called BlenderBot 3. BlenderBot 3 was a search engine chatbot where you could ask questions about virtually any topic. When the user asked a query about who won the election, BlenderBot 3 assumed that Donald Trump was the winner. At that point, it was obvious that the project was over. ChatGPT is a chatbot launched in November of 2022 and quickly got attention for its detailed responses and articulate answers across the globe. At the launch of ChatGPT, OpenAI was valued at $29 billion. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, a leading research company in the field of artificial intelligence. The model is based on the GPT architecture and is trained on a large dataset of text, allowing it to generate human-like text. OpenAI is founded by the League of Computer Scientists, Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, Sam Altman, former CEO of Reddit, Greg Brockman, former CTO of Stripe, Google research scientist Ilya Sutskever, and computer and research scientist Wojciech Zaremba. In a recent pitch to investors, OpenAI, the owner of the AI chat generator ChatGPT, which has drawn attention as an AI provider and potential Google search competitor, stated that it expects $200 million in revenue next year and $1 billion by 2024. The application is currently free for users while the company scoops up feedback. However, for developers who want to combine this tool with other software, the cost is approximately a penny for 20,000 words of the document and approximately 2 cents for pictures. Is ChatGPT about to change the world? But in which way? ChatGPT and other similar language models have the potential to greatly impact various industries and aspects of our daily lives. Some potential ways it could change the world include improving automation and efficiency in customer service and other industries that rely on natural language understanding and generation, enhancing the capabilities of virtual assistants and other conversational interfaces, making it easier for people to interact with technology, helping to improve language learning by providing more accurate and natural language examples. Advancing research in the field of natural language processing ultimately leads to more accurate and useful language-based technologies, enabling the creation of more realistic and engaging chatbots, virtual agents, and language-based games. Musk has spoken about the importance of artificial intelligence and the need for its development to be done responsibly. He has also expressed concerns about the potential negative consequences of advanced AI if it is not properly controlled and regulated. Goodbye, homework is one of those concerns. He claims the artificial intelligence program ChatGPT could allow students to cheat thanks to its human-like responses. He has described GPT-3 as a scary development. To use the application, just sign up for OpenAI. This enables you to send an API prompt and receive a response generated by the model. The API can be used to generate text for tasks like language translation, question answering, summarization, and dialogue generation, but also fun stuff like poems, jokes, and songs. It can also tackle essays, speeches, and code. It even has the ability to edit and debug. Less than 2 weeks after its release, ChatGPT has taken the internet by storm. The AI text generator has become so popular that it reached user capacity. This could be the potential solution. Usage of more powerful servers to run the chatbot so that it can handle more requests at the same time. Usage of advanced algorithms to better distribute the workload across the servers. This can help to ensure that the chatbot can keep up with the large demand, even when a lot of people are logged on. Adding a queue system for the chatbot so that when there are too many requests coming in, it will put the users on a waitlist and process them one by one as server resources are available. Implementation of multiple GPT-based chatbots. This means that instead of having one single chatbot that handles all the requests, you would have multiple bots that work together. Each chatbot would be responsible for handling a portion of the requests, which can help to distribute the workload more evenly and make the system more scalable. This can also help to improve its overall performance as it would be able to handle more requests at the same time. OpenAI has signaled it'll soon begin charging users for ChatGPT. And guess what? They are already monetizing the new version called ChatGPT Professional. The professional version will always be available, no blackouts for Windows users, fast response, unlimited number of messages, at least 2 times more than the regular daily limit. ChatGPT could be used to improve certain aspects of the school system. By utilizing ChatGPT, students can cheat. That is because the new AI chatbot is able to quickly produce unique assignments in a style of writing dictated by the user. As a result, students across the globe could use it to do their homework for them without the teacher ever knowing. However, it would likely require significant development and integration with educational systems to have a meaningful impact on the overall system. Additionally, the use of any technology in the education sector must be thoughtfully considered in terms of its pedagogical implications and must be implemented to improve student learning outcomes. It is significant to remember that cheating damages academic integrity and is not encouraged. The use of plagiarism detection software or proctoring exams is just 2 examples of how institutions and educators can stop cheating. All over the world, people are already using ChatGPT to earn money online. They're using the app for their marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can create marketing campaigns for specific targeted audiences and even write ads in a certain style. Crypto investors and traders are using the app daily to research and track the best stocks and coins. What is the difference between Google and ChatGPT? In Google, you're talking to a website. In ChatGPT, it is as if you're talking to a human being writing back to you in a conversational style. For example, if you're looking for a certain book or recipe, Google will show you the best ranking articles and then you can choose which one you're going to read or use. ChatGPT gives you a summary of the book or just shows you the recipe. At this point, we can only speculate. Time will tell what the future for Google is going to be and which application will outperform the others. They also may collaborate.
Oops, there you go. Speculations.
ChatGPT has all the signs of being a technological game changer, but will ChatGPT take your jobs? ChatGPT has been making headlines, and it's probably hard to overestimate how much artificial intelligence is going to change our lives and the economy. This new technology interacts with users in a way that is incredibly realistic thanks to a machine learning and a ton of data. But this OpenAI model is capable of much more than just having online conversations. It can also debug code, provide answers to questions, and produce content like term papers or poems. An exciting development has occurred, but on a personal level, it's very concerning, especially in light of how it might affect job security. Most people have dedicated their entire professional lives to one industry. Will we be able to find new jobs if technology advances to the point where it can do your job just as well as you can, if not better? Will we be able to keep our jobs? For example, let's talk about restaurants. Imagine applications where ChatGPT could negotiate supply chain costs for you. This application could also handle general customer service. You can actually build applications on top of it and feed it with information. The data that you have collected and implemented, but also the data from the feedback from your guest reviews. You could feed it with your entire menu so that the Quest wants to know which ingredients are in a certain dish or what the best vegan options are. They will be able to get recommendations from the OpenAI chatbot. There are a lot of really exciting opportunities to build on top of this revolutionary software. On the other hand, complicated autopilot systems used by airplanes during flights are primarily controlled by computers. Pilots are always present to adjust the computer settings as necessary. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are still in their early stages, so it can take a very long time before machines can take our jobs. Before that occurs, the strength of tools like ChatGPT will enable you to carry out your role with a lot more effectiveness and efficiency. What the future may be for the people using OpenAI and what may happen with the jobs. Open Chatbot and put that question in it. Yes, this app is going to change the world. No one knows yet what the future will bring. However, it is difficult to ignore the potential advantages of ChatGPT. It is very exciting to be a part of this revolutionary technology. For more videos, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.